More than 40 years ago, our founders gave us the greatest gift, a well-defined culture built on 8 core values. So when everything changed in 2020, we didn't have to look far to find our North Star. We responded by doing what we always do. We focused on our people. We operated sustainably. And we strengthened our communities. While navigating a year unlike any other, we held strong to the values we've always known. Doing our part to take care of our customers, communities, and each other. Not just because it's who we are, but because it's who we've always been.